Michael Saylor has done it again, guys. What's going on? Johnny back with another helpful video. And today we're talking about MicroStrategy's. Just kidding. MicroStrategy's, which actually just changed their name to just Strategy Inc. But the real news is that Michael Saylor or Strategy sold 3,588 Bitcoin worth $225 million as a loss. That's correct. He has a new strategy. It's called buy at the high levels, buy at all-time levels, and sell at all-time lows. He's actually got the whole trading game backwards. And that's not the only news that's happening with MSTR. As you can see, MSTR pushed up to 108 in the overnight hours. It then dropped down to about 104. And then the news came out this morning that there was actually a $8.3 billion loss as Bitcoin sells off. And it pushed all the way down to $94. Now sitting just slightly above $101 currently at the time of this recording. But it says that Strategy, the Bitcoin holding company, said it had a $8.32 billion loss on the digital assets in its second quarter. The loss comes after the company, formerly known as MicroStrategy, sold 3,588 Bitcoin for less than it paid. Okay, from June 29th to June 30th, Strategy sold 1,363 Bitcoin for an average price of 59,256. And between July 1st and July 5th, the company sold 2,225 Bitcoin for an average price of 60,000. Now, the average price Strategy's existing Bitcoin holdings is 75,476. It holds 843,000 Bitcoin, but the shares were down 4.5%, down to 96.29 shortly after the bell opened. It even went as low as $94.63. Now, through Friday's close, the stock had lost a third of its value this year. Bitcoin's price have slid about 30% over the same time period, falling from peaks in 2025. Now, proceeds from Bitcoin sales were used to fund payments of dividends or distributions on preferred stocks and to replenish a portion of Strategy's US dollar reserve. Strategy maintains a US dollar reserve to pay dividends on the company's preferred stocks and interest on outstanding debt. Its US dollar reserve was 2.55 billion as of Sunday. Now, why is this important? Well, because Mike Saylor has created a lot of different companies like STRC, which is called Strategy, to get shareholders to not only hold MSTR, but also to use STRC to then pay out dividends. That's literally all it does. It pays out dividends if you hold this company. And I believe the dividends are, I think they're pretty high. I think they're like at 10 or 12%. They're paying 50 cents a share every single month. At one point, they were almost at $1 per share. Of course, they're not at that anymore. But the dividend is a way to keep people in this investment. And they don't just have one, they don't just have STRC. There's actually quite a few other companies that do the exact same thing. STRC is just one of them. Now, what I thought was interesting is this right here. Michael Saylor's in trouble, guys. He asks ChatGPT, build me a buyback plan to save the company. No mistakes. And so that's exactly what he's doing. Now, we did short this morning and overnight. We traded this very nicely, buying at lows of 980 and selling at highs of 1215, resulting in about a $70 profit on a very small position. And we also traded it during our live trading session with our LTE team. And just a reminder, if you want to check that out, click the first link in the description. You'll get lifetime access, and it is 100% free to watch me trade live every morning. But MSTR is in trouble. Bitcoin, it's funny enough that he's buying at all-time highs and selling at all-time lows, which means he thinks that Bitcoin will actually go down even more, which is why he sold, but also he has to pay his shareholders. He has to pay them a dividend, and the money has to come from somewhere. Remember, guys, MicroStrategy or Strategy Inc. doesn't sell a service. It doesn't sell a product. Literally the only thing that MSTR does is hold Bitcoin. It is a Bitcoin treasury. So, if Michael Saylor was smart, he would not have diluted his shareholders by borrowing against the company to buy more shares at all-time highs. It doesn't make any sense. And what's even crazier is MSTR doesn't pay a dividend. But he thought, he got greedy, I think, and he thought, let's actually create another stock, which is STRC, to pay those dividends to shareholders. Now he's having a lot of trouble paying those shareholders these dividend incomes because Bitcoin is selling off, which means MSTR is getting even cheaper. It's losing its market value. And he diluted all of his shareholders that were in MSTR at crazy all-time highs. If you look at this, MSTR used to trade at $543. Isn't that crazy? And starting from there, that's when he started diluting his shareholders by borrowing money against the company, buying more shares, which dilutes the quality of the share. They're down 84%. They're down 84%, guys, in 585 days. They hit peak all-time highs in November of 2024, and now in July of 2026, they are down 84%. Bitcoin, on the other hand, sure, they hit highs of 126 when MSTR peaked at 540. They had a low of 54%. So even just buying Bitcoin at all-time highs, you would be down 30% less than if you bought MSTR. So let me remind you, if you like Bitcoin, you want to buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. Don't buy into a BS company that doesn't do anything else than buy Bitcoin. And obviously, he's buying at all-time highs and selling at lows, which means he thinks it could probably sell off even more. And that is scary for those MSTR bag holders who are now down 85%. So we've been shorting it. We've been making money on it by trading MSTZ, which is a 2 times inverse ETF. When MSTR sells off 1%, MSTZ goes up 2%. And there's been days where MSTR will sell off 10% and MSTZ will go up 20%. And I want to showcase this to you, that I have actually been trading this company since December 2025. I've traded the lows, I traded the highs, and I have been making a decent amount of profit by rinse and repeating my setup to where we are shorting MSTR. While other people are losing money by holding this long term and believing in the company, I have done a good job, and our LTE members have done a good job by shorting MicroStrategy, by making money when it sells off, and getting out and not holding and wishing and waiting. That's not what we do here. So just a reminder, if you guys want to watch me trade as live as tomorrow morning at market open, click the first link in the description. Join our LTE team. It's 100% free lifetime access for right now. And if you get in now, you'll never be charged later if I actually do charge at some point in time. So Thank you for your time. Like always, remember to smash the like button, and let's end the year on a green note. Later, team.